Hello Wildcats, this is Miss Ivy here for Monday's Marvelous Book Talk. Today I'm sharing with you Breakout. This is a new book by Kate Messner, and in this one our main character Nora is looking forward to summer break in Willow Creek. She's looking forward to swimming and eating popsicles for 2 months and hanging out with her friends. But then, when two prisoners escape from the nearby maximum security prison, there are police officers at their school grounds, there are helicopters flying all over the city at all hours of the night, and there's a fear in the sense of the community. She worries that even if the police do catch these guys that escaped the prison, she's afraid that the fear will never really subside and her little small town of Willow Creek will never be the same. So this one is interesting because it is written in a series of text messages and little news clippings and things like that she collects throughout her journey and keeps those and makes them into the community time capsule. So if you're interested in a book like this, then come see me. This is Miss Ivy coming at you from your Wayside Library.